Introduce highlight features or overview summary for Ramay Apple Wireless CarPlay Adaptor 2023 upgrade. You can find wanted, shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs, filter by specification type, brand and more. Highlight features or overview summary are include CarPlay Wireless Adapter. The Ramay CarPlay Wireless dongle makes it incredibly simple to switch your wired CarPlay setup to wireless. You can continue to use the full CarPlay functions and keep the original car operation, such as navigation, audio streaming, Siri assistance, phone calls and more. Only compatible with Apple CarPlay. Easy to use. With a few easy steps, we quickly and easily connect you. There is no need for any additional drives, programs, or difficult system upgrades, just plug and play. After initial setup, our adapter will instantly establish a wireless CarPlay connection each time the vehicle starts. Enjoy setting everything up only once. Universal compatibility. Almost all car models are compatible with our wireless CarPlay adapter. For this adapter to function, your car must have a factory-wired CarPlay system. Supports iPhone 6 and above and iOS 10 and above. Compact and sleek design. This car adapter is portable and simple to use without taking up much room in your car thanks to its lightweight, elegant design. There is a USB to USB-C converter included, enabling access to both USB and USB-C car ports. Fully automatic driving. Upon initial setup, this adapter will immediately begin to operate and connect to the iPhone as soon as the vehicle is on. The included 5 GHz Wi-Fi module will create a wireless CarPlay adapter that rapidly identifies your phone even if it is in your pocket or bag. Additionally, this dongle allows touchscreen, knob, steering wheel, and voice control. Siri can help you drive by playing music, navigating, and reading text messages while keeping your eyes on the road. If you want to get full highlight features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. In addition, you can press to subscribe us, and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.